Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply today. I have Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Platinum Pressure Side Pool Cleaner, and today we're going to rifle through this box and show you what's inside, so stay tuned. And we're back. So, again, Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Platinum Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. So, this version right here is the gray cleaner. They also make the exact same cleaner in gray and white. Let's dive in. I want to show you what this looks like. Maybe at the end I'll show you what the actual gray and white looks like as well. So let's dive in. I'm going to open this box for the first time and show you what it looks like. I'm going to put the box down here. So this packaging is kind of aggressive. They definitely want this as a one-time open use type thing. They're pretty crafty. I'll show you why. Yeah. So, this thing is great. So, I'm going to just pull this out. And the bag. So this is the gray one, obviously. So, let me put this thing back up on the side. Show you the whole package. So, this one right here is the gray cleaner, okay? They have a gray and white one as well. And the hoses are white. The lid is a little clearer than this, and the bottom is white on the other one. So again, they're the exact same cleaner, just they look different. Because yeah, the other one even has like a clear hose that goes onto it. Let's pop in a picture right here of the clear and white one. So again, these are really kind of cool with the fact that they make two different colors of the exact same cleaner. So that way if you have like a plaster pool, you get the gray and white one, but if you have like a pebble tech, a dark gray, black, whatever pool, you get this one. So it's kind of neat. So this is just a very interesting way to package something in my personal opinion. So we're going to take the hoses off and get the cleaner out so I can show you what's on the pool cleaner itself. So talking about the hoses though, again, it's got the wall fitting that goes there, and then, that's crazy, even the backup valve looks different on the gray one. It's because the white one's like squared, so the gray is crazy. So the way that this works is this end of the hose plugs into your cleaner, and then after a while this backup valve will actually kick water out of it to kind of get your cleaner out of tight spots. So it's going to be, I'm all wrapped up. Go back to the box. Put the box back over the side. And pop the cleaner out. Yep, okay. So, again, this is the gray version of the pool cleaner. So, pretty neat, just like a lot of other cleaners. It's got a scrubber assembly on the end of it, because the object of the scrubber is when it's cruising down your pool, it's going to sit there and it's actually going to scrub the bottom of your pool floor. And also water is going to come out the end of here as well. So it's going to scrub and kick the dust up. So that way your main drain will then suck all the dust through. So pretty neat. The hose attaches right here. This is your float assembly to actually lift up the butt end of your cleaner. So if your cleaner starts doing wheelies all the time, more than likely your float's put on bad. The bag, pretty cool. Pretty easy. They actually include this little check valve, which is kind of neat. I don't think I've ever seen this on any of their manufacturer's cleaners. That way when you pull your cleaner out, the debris doesn't just shoot down the bottom of the cleaner and just go everywhere. So it actually traps the debris here before it actually goes back into your pool. That's not what you want. So the bag's directional, obviously. So this little strap will strap onto the actual hose, and then the top of it here, there's a little handle that you can grab onto, but it opens the Velcro that way, and that's how you clean out the inside of your bag. So then it just clips on, so it pushes down and turns and snaps on. So then it's even got a little float on the inside here, so it stays upright the whole time. It's clear, so you can see inside of the cleaner as well. Nice 4 tires. So unlike Polaris that has 3, and also I believe the Trivac also has 3 technically. I think they have 2 tires, and they also, I think they call it like a little helper tire in the front. This might be the only manufacturer that has 4 on their pressure cleaners. So I kind of like the stability of it, which is kind of cool. Very rugged, which is kind of nice. It'll definitely go over a lot of stuff, main drains especially, which is kind of nice. The bottom actually has a pretty big opening to where that way it'll kind of ramp up if it actually goes over a main drain, which is kind of neat. This thing works like a Venturi, like every other pressure cleaner out there. Has thrust jets that force water down into the bag and which draws in other currents. So it's a Venturi style pressure cleaner. So yeah, I mean, this thing's pretty cool. So comes with your user's manual, warranty card, all the essentials. Let me see if I forgot anything else. I don't think so. So this is the Platinum cleaner from Pentair. Pentair's Kreepy Krauly line. Again, pressure cleaner requires a booster pump. Looks like this. If you don't have a booster pump, call someone, see if they can help you. If this cleaner would work in your pool, we highly recommend it. These things are pretty sweet. So I'm Jake with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.